Hi, today we are going to learn the concept of console applications in C Sharp using Visual Studio 2022. Visual Studio 2022 is the ideally for your all C Sharp applications where you can work with the C Sharp applications. So quickly let me start how to create a very basic program in C Sharp that is called as console applications. So you have to open your Visual Studio 2022 and you will click on create a new project. Okay, so you will click on a create new project, then you will get many options like this. Or if you have worked earlier in Visual Studio for different projects, so these are the recent project templates in your window. They will not be if you are using it first time. So what you have to do, you have to just go here and you have to type console. That's it. If you type console, it will give you suggestions, or if it is not giving, then write console app. So click on this and you will see the options are changed now, and you will find the C sharp option here, you will find VB, you will find somewhere F sharp, like that. Yes, so we are going with C sharp, so you have to click on the first one, that is console app C sharp. So you will click on this and then you have to click on the next. That's it. This is the thing which you have to remember. Now here you need to use your project name, whatever project you want to give it. I'm taking as it is. If you want to give, for example, if you are making a addition of numbers, you are making any project, student management system, or any other project, you will give the same name. I'm not going to change this name. I'm taking as it is. This is the location. You want to change it, you can change it. This is the solution name where you can change, or you can put the same name. So don't worry about it. You can just click on the next. As a beginner, you click on the next, and that's it. Now here is the thing which you have to remember. In your Visual Studio, it will show you the framework you are using. In my system, .NET 8 is there and .NET 9 is also installed. In your system, it can be 7, it can be earlier also. So you can choose accordingly, according to your setup. If it is not there, 8 is not there, and you want to work with that, then you have to install the latest version or the version you want. So I'm going with the .NET 8. I can go with the .NET 9 also, that is your choice. Now you will click on the create. That's it. This is the thing which you have to go for the steps for creating the first you can say console application in C sharp. So we are working with C sharp and we are using this console application here. So this is my first program where you will be returning, and this is the first view of your C sharp program. So console.writeLine. So in the coming lectures, we are going to work with some basics of C sharp, how we are going to write the program, the basic programs. Today we had to just work on how it will be look like the C sharp program. So yes, there are the buttons. The play button is for the run application. The window will be like this. This is a solution explorer containing the all structure of the project. Program.cs means the actual program which is written here. The first hello world, the very common dialog which is in every programmings. So you can change this, and if you want to run the application, you just need to click on this play button. Just click on this and you will get a output. What is the output for the current program? It's hello world. So it will give you the same output what is there. That means it is actually working as it is working for the other programmings like C or C++ or Java, but in C sharp the syntaxes will be little different and the environment is little different. So if you had worked with C++ earlier, then C sharp will be very easy for you people. So see you in the coming lectures where we are going to work with some more about C sharp console applications. If you really like this chapter, please put a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video in the next chapter. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.